If you want to deburr, grind, polish, you're going to want to check these out. These are absolutely awesome. So this is a 10-piece set. You get a 1/4-inch shank right here. So you'll see right over here the best ways to use this. So this is the recommended operating speeds. So if you're doing steel, tempered steel, stainless steel, it will show you exactly what you need to do, what you need to use. They come with these cutting discs right here. So you're going to get 3 of these cutting discs, and you get this right here. So really, really nice. And you also get this. And then the main you get are these. I love the fact that it's in this box. Really, really nice. So when we open this box, just like this, you'll see these are all the different ones you get. This is a longer one. This is a shorter one. You could just do in your head. So this is what you get. These are the 10 pieces, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You even get that little guy right here. So if you're looking for a great set, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.